Hey, good morning, everyone. This is your boy DC with Collins Builders and my project manager Alexis.
Hello.
Right now, we're about to we're going to demo this deck, and we're going to be replacing it with the Trex product. So we're here the first day. So one of the things that we did is we labeled every piece. We made a material list chart that you can zoom in on some of these numbers. So if you ever want to do a project like this, you want to know what piece is going to go where. So a lot of times carpenters number their pieces. So when you get the new pieces, like this is a 12-footer, this tells me a 12-foot piece of Trex goes right there. Can you follow me over here? A 16-foot piece of Trex goes right there. And the reason why this is important is we're going to eliminate all these joints right here. Can you see all these joints where they come together? We're not going to have them anymore. We're going to have one long piece, so it's going to be nice and clean and streamlined. So that's one of the reasons why we're doing this. So before you start taking something apart, think about it and how the new material is going to go back in. And then you want to number your pieces, so when the new ones come in, you know exactly where they're at, where they need to go, and you're not just fumbling and shifting through them. Some of the tools we got out here today for demo, just basic tools. We got our pry bars. I got my grinder with a metal wheel so I can cut this old stubborn screws out, and I have my trusty impact. So that's pretty much what we're doing. We specialize in decks. We do them all the time. We do very high quality decks. So if you have a deck project that you need done, feel free to reach out to us, or you can check out our Facebook page, Collins Builders and Construction, or you can check me out on YouTube, The Black Carpenter's Guide. You guys have a fantastic morning. We'll be giving you updates throughout the morning. So go out, tackle that day, take care of them projects, and if you need help, reach out to us. Thank you.